Hello and welcome. Today we'll discover why grammar is your best tool for clear communication. Many people think grammar is just a list of rules, but it's really a map that guides you through language. Good grammar helps people understand you and makes your ideas clear. Think of grammar as the rules of a game. Knowing them helps you play well. When you use correct grammar, you avoid confusion and sound more natural. It's important at school, at work, and in daily life. Good grammar helps you make a strong impression and connect with others. This guide will break down grammar into simple steps. We'll start with the basics and use clear examples. You can study alone or with a teacher. The goal is to make grammar easy, not scary. Be patient. Learning takes time and practice. Every mistake is a chance to improve. Let's begin by understanding the basic building blocks of English. We'll explore the words that make up every sentence. Remember, grammar isn't about perfection, it's about being understood. With each step, you'll become a more confident speaker and writer. Grammar opens doors and helps you connect with people everywhere. So let's start this journey together. Ready? Let's dive in. First, we'll look at the parts of speech. These are the essential tools for building sentences. Mastering them is the first step to great English. Let's get started. Here's what you need to know. Every sentence is made of words with different jobs. These are called parts of speech. Nouns name people, places, things, or ideas. Teacher, London book, happiness. Verbs show action or state run, eat is, was. Adjectives describe nouns big, red, happy. Adverbs describe verbs or adjectives quickly, slowly. Pronouns replace nouns he, she, it, they. Prepositions show relationships in, on, at. Conjunctions connect words or sentences and but, or interjections show emotion, wow, oh. Nouns are the main subjects of sentences, verbs are the engine showing what happens. Adjectives and adverbs add detail and color. Pronouns make sentences less repetitive. Prepositions and conjunctions help ideas flow. Interjections add feeling. Understanding these parts is your first big step. They're the tools you'll use to build every sentence. Now let's build a basic sentence. Every simple sentence needs a subject and a verb. The subject is who or what the sentence is about. The verb is the action or state. Example, birds fly. Birds is the subject, fly is the verb. Another, she sings. She is the subject, sings is the verb. The subject can be a person or a thing. The phone rings. Make sure the subject and verb agree. He walks. They walk. Many sentences also have an object, the thing that receives the action. Example, the student reads a book. Student is the subject, reads is the verb, a book is the object. This is called subject-verb-object, or SVO. SVO is the most common English sentence structure. Practice, the cat chased the mouse, the dog ate the food. You can mix and match subjects, verbs, and objects to make new sentences. Mastering SVO helps you build clear, correct sentences. It's the foundation of English grammar. Keep practicing this pattern. Soon you'll build sentences with confidence. Let's talk about making sentences simple and clear. A simple sentence has one subject and one verb. Birds fly. I like coffee. Simple sentences are easy to write and understand. Start with basic subject-verb or subject-verb-object patterns. Add adjectives or adverbs for more detail. The tall man walks slowly. This makes your sentences more interesting. When you're ready, connect simple sentences with conjunctions. And, but so. Example, I am tired, so I want to sleep. She likes tea, but he likes coffee. Use short, clear sentences instead of long, confusing ones. Focus on correct subject, verb, and object. Check your subject-verb agreement. Make sure your meaning is easy to understand. As you practice, you'll write more complex sentences naturally. For now, keep it simple and clear. This is the best way to build your grammar skills. Remember, clarity is more important than complexity. Practice makes perfect. Let's fix some common grammar mistakes. First, subject-verb agreement. He walks, not he walk. For he, she, it adds to the verb. For I, you, we, they don't add s. Next, verb tense. Use the right tense for the time. Yesterday I went to the park, not I go. Learn irregular verb forms like go, went, eat, ate, see, saw. Articles can be tricky, a and the. Use a and for general nouns. I see a dog. Use the for something specific. I see the dog next door. Don't forget articles. Say I want an apple, not I want apple. Pay attention to these small words, they matter. Remember, everyone makes mistakes when learning. Mistakes are normal and help you learn. Listen to corrections and try to understand the rules. Practice every day. Read, write, and speak in English. The more you use English, the more natural grammar will feel. Keep going, you're on the right path. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every step brings you closer to mastering English.